Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the whip. When I want it. Pull up on sight. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Yeah. Do that for that check.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique and Kay. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey, yay, yay, yay. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to another channel video, giving you the tea, the love, and all of the above. You feel me? In today's video, as you guys can see, I'm going over my paycheck budget because your girl got paid. Your girl got paid. You feel me? And instead of me like going ahead and spending all this cash, let me pay my bills, okay? We need somewhere to live, so let's get all into it, okay? Let's get all up in my business. Let's not waste no time. Let's make it do what it do, okay, baby? Okay, let go. Today's paycheck, what your girl working with. Let me show you what you're working with. Ooh. So for today's paycheck from my salaries, y'all might want to come in a little closer. Come on in a little closer, just so you can see what the good tea is going on. I should probably make y'all straight so y'all can understand in eye terms. You feel me? That'll make so much more sense. So this paycheck is my 15 March paycheck of 2022, and so this is my salary paycheck, and so I am going to, my salary of what I am getting is $1,041.82. okay, that's what I'm budgeting. That's my actual, but you guys know this is a budget because shit might hit the fans and it may change later on, okay? So that's that. And then for my total I'm working with is $1,041.82. okay, so I'm gonna quickly write in all of my expenses that I'm gonna be working with for this paycheck, and then I'm gonna come back to the back, baby. Okay, all right, give me 1 second, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I've written in all my bills that be coming in for your girl's pockets, and I've also written out their due dates. So with this 15 March paycheck, she gonna take care of all of these goods. So for my monthly budget, y'all, wait a damn minute. For my monthly budget for car insurance, I had $119.37. So I'm going to put that in my budget, $119.37. For ADT security, they were $49.21. For AppleCare iPad, that was $7.99. For car payments, I have car payment budgeted as $400.65. Water, I have a budget of $50. And then Merrick has $100. Okay, so my budget that I have right now is that I will have a total of $727.22. That is going towards those child. Oh, that's ghetto as hell. That is ghetto as hell. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my cash envelopes, and I'm gonna write them down so we can scroll down. I'm gonna write in my cash envelopes that are gonna be getting some coins, and then we gonna come back to it, sis. All right. So this 7/27/22, which is all my bills, child. Gosh darn it. We're gonna minus $1041.82, which is my total paycheck, and I'm left with $314.60 to work with. Of course, you guys know that I work in whole dollars, okay? I don't do the whatever the situation is with a cents. So automatically, I'm gonna put down here an additional savings emergency fund. and I'm gonna give it 60 cents. That's what your girl is budgeting for, because automatically I do it anyways. Okay, so now I only have $314 to work with, and let me put it in positive so you guys will, you know, get my drift. So $314 is what I'm working with. Y'all, let's break this bad boy down. Some people might have to get $1, but as long as something's going to it, I could be less bothered. Okay, so for groceries, I know I said like $250, child, but the way how inflation is going and the way how my paycheck is, we don't know if we can afford a $250 for this month. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a $75 for groceries. I'm gonna add $75 because I do have some change left over. I gave gas $75 last time, and I'm gonna give it $25 this time, because I think in like overall in my head, because should be happening in my head, but in my head I budgeted for $100, so I'm gonna go with that. And then I'm gonna give myself $50 for 2 weeks, because I get paid every 2 weeks, baby. And then YouTube, the use of tubes, I'm gonna give $10. Is equal to $160 in total, which that is in the wrong spot, but that's okay. That is $160 in total. And so that is how much is going towards my cash envelopes. And instead of going to additional savings, I'm going to go over sinking funds real quick, just so we can get them babies out the way. So I'm going to do home. I'm going to give it $5 because, baby, okay, travel is getting $20 simply because, y'all, things is happening. And I just want to make sure that I'm putting money towards this. And I still don't feel like this is enough, but I'm going to put something right and nothing. You feel me? Next, for car maintenance, bitch, the day that I'm recording this, y'all, if you follow me on Instagram and you watch my story, baby, my windshield wiper decided that this was the day that it was going to break, bitch. This was the day that it was going to break. Okay, act up, right? For my birthday, I am putting in $10 in there. And then for business, I'm also putting in 10. That's what I'm feeling. So that's what we're going with. So 65, like I thought, like I said, because your girl be calculating. Okay. 65. And baby, we are going to go back down to the additional savings. And we're going to go March Madness, 26-week challenge, and Fortune 500. There are 3 challenges that I'm doing. There's $89 left. So March Madness, I'm budgeting to give it 30. 26-week challenge, I'm budgeting to give it 35. And then Fortune 500, I'm budgeting to give it 24. Okay, does that make sense? Is this 30 and 35 is 65, right, guys? And then 24 is 89. So we good. Okay, so this is 89, and then if you add the 60 cents, this is gonna be $89.60. Now, I hope I ain't boo the food when I, you know, do all this in this section, the totals, and baby, I'm hoping everything works out. So, here we go. So, the first is my income source, which is a total of I'm budgeting for $1,041.82. because that's your girl's pays of checks. And I'm just going to change color so I know that these are the bills, bitch. The bills. Okay. And so expenses, and now I'm budgeting at $727.22. Envelopes are going to be $160. Additional saving is going to be $89.60. Sinking funds are going to have a total of $65. And then additional debt won't have anything because I'm not paying no additional debt. And so if I do these calculations, baby, these calculations should equal up to 0 if your girl can count and do math and all that good jazz, okay? Give me a 0. So that's how you know you're going to 0 base budget. And then in total, you can put 0 if you want. I just put a line if I'm not using it. And that's how I know everything in itself is boom, bada bing. Another thing that I will do is down here, I'll put a note. And then all I'm going to put is gas is digital, because that is the only envelope that I keep as a digital, because I'm not going to the store. I'm just not. So gas is digital, and remains in the bank account. Remains in debit account, y'all. I keep it in my debit account. I don't keep it on my credit card. I can, but I prefer to keep it in my debit account. Cause let me tell you, ain't nothing scarier than having to use your debit card, bitch. Let me tell you, I was at the pump pumping, and I think I had like a $25 left over, and there was $25 in my bank account. And I'm one of them type of peoples, I like my numbers to be even. So when I go to the pump, I do even numbers. Like, you would never see me paying $23.73. No, I'm paying 24. I'm just paying 24. So when I tell you, I was squeezing them triggers for them pumps, but I was sweating, bitch, because I only had $25 in my gas tank, and I was pumping for $25. Child, let me tell you. But your girl made it. It was all good in the hood, and they took my $25, and I'm happily ever after. So, boom, bada bang. Okay, boom, bada bang. Let me zoom back out and put little baby over to our corner. So that was my paycheck budget, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, life be life in, but it's cool. But baby, let me tell you, I am so excited where I'm at with my coins, because I feel like I'm in a good spot, even though outside is tripping big time. Okay, so make sure you budget your money to be in a position. Oh, story time. Quick little story time. So it was 20 late teens, and the government was going through some situations where they hadn't signed the bill yet, which, if you don't know, the bill is basically their budget, the government's budget, their big ass budget where they spend on whatever they want. And so my check comes from tax dollars. Don't get it twisted, bitch. I probably pay myself. Being in the military, I probably pay myself. But anyways, that's in the here and there. And they hadn't signed it, and they was about to have a government shutdown. People wasn't about to get paid, and I was broke. Let's call it spade a spade. I didn't have any money in my card. I was an A1C, I think, which is like a junior in the company. Like, almost a newbie in the company, basically. But like, I did not have no financial skills, bitch, and I was about to get a paycheck like I regularly did on the 1st and the 15th right now, and your girl was sweating bullets, okay? Sweating blood, tears, all of them good jazz. I was sweating bullets, bitch, okay? I was like, how am I gonna pay my car? How am I gonna pay my rent? How am I gonna eat? But I still could have ate. But I'm like, how do I do the rest of the things that, you know, my life be doing? How do I do that? And so I still didn't get my shit together. Y'all might have thought that I got my shit together. I still did not, okay? I got paid, the year moved on, and they did that shit again, but they did it earlier, so there was no problem with my checks. I had to be deployed first, and that's when I finally got my debts and everything together, and then I started budgeting. But quick little story time, yeah, your girl was out here sweating bullets because she wasn't sure she was going to get paid, and I said, never again, bitch. Never again. Later on in life, when your girl got a little older, like, I think when I started doing my budgeting and getting my life together, I was like 22, 23. I think that's what it was. But I said, never again will, you know, once I started getting my life together, budgeting and everything, will I make this government to be where my paychecks resides. That's why I'm so here for an emergency fund, sis. Build you one and get it up there, because I refuse. I gosh darn refuse, okay? And so that's my 2 cents. Never depend on your job to pay you. I don't care if this shit is automatic 1st and the 15th, because that shit can get stopped, okay? I work for the governments. They shut shits down, okay? On a regular basis, they shut shits down. So, yes, child. So that's my 2 cents. Never depend on your job to pay your bills, okay? Get you an emergency fund, get your life together, and get shit done. Anyways, y'all, that's my little rant for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy my breakdown of these coins, child, because they giving what they need to give, but I'm not feeling it. So yeah, so I'm gonna go, and I will see y'all in the next video in this cash stuffing bitch. Okay, cash stuffing bitch. I wonder when this video comes out. Just know the next one follows. Okay, cash stuffing bitch. Okay, all right, bye y'all. Oh shoot, no. rewind. Make sure you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share this video with a family, friend, or foe, because even your enemies need blessings. And again, if you don't know who I am, my name is Anique NK Finances here on the Use of Tubes. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because we are on our way to 1K to be in great, and I'm excited. So anyways, that is it now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you won't get it? I'm off that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk, bad little thing.